Everyone, now I'm doing a video here on the FitcamX app. Once you've placed the hardware in your vehicle, you want to make sure to download the FitcamX app for iPhone or Android. And once you download it, you're going to have to set up the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi password, this is one thing I forgot to do, was read the instruction manual. If you open the instruction manual, you're going to see the password in there. You can utilize that password to connect your phone, your Wi-Fi, to the FitcamX in your vehicle. And that's going to be the first step that you're going to have to do. You'll see blue lights flashing, and that's when you're able to go ahead and connect Wi-Fi. Now, I'm not in the vehicle, but if I am, I'm able to connect to the dash cam and download videos onto my phone. So we can go here, we can go to album. I went ahead and downloaded one video from the album, which I'll show you here, the quality of that video. Now I have my settings. Let me go into my, okay, where's the video settings? So I'm still getting kind of used to this. I think it's when you first set it up, you will see to set up the settings for your camera. Actually, the settings won't come up because I'm not connected to the camera. If I try to connect on the camera, if I try to connect, I can't connect. But once you connect, you will be able to change the resolution and whatnot up to 4K and up to 12 megapixel photos. But let's go ahead and show you the 4K video here. Let me go ahead and turn it. And you can be able to record sound too. So let me go ahead and see if I can pause the video. And see if I can be able to, okay, 10x. Wait, that's for the speed, I apologize. So you can download this clip. The video, the footage of the license plates are a little bit foggy due to the vehicle is moving quite fast or whatnot. Let me go ahead and see if I can be able to go into my videos here. Let me go ahead and show you from the beginning. Let me twist the video around so you guys can see. So let me go ahead and see if I can be able to show you guys the license plate. It's a little difficult because of the distance. Let me see if I can pause it. It's a little difficult to view it from this video angle, right? The cars are moving quite fast and whatnot. But for the most part, in terms of the quality, it is 4K. Now, it depends on the distance, it depends on the speed of the vehicles going through. But overall, you can tell from this video, the quality is very much there. The 4K resolution is already there. You can tell from the street signs. You can tell the quality. I mean, this is a pretty substantial distance from the vehicle. So if it's catching up to these type of street signs, is able to pick up on the license plate number. And when you're driving, if there's a vehicle coming towards you or going away from you, of course, it's going to take that license plate number very easily and nicely. During the night, it will be because of low light situations, and this is the issue with all dash cams, not only this one, but in low light situations, the quality will be deterred negatively quite a bit, but for the most part, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So hope this is helpful. If again, press the like button, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions. Happy to answer them, and check you guys out in the next video. Thanks.